For today's video, I got the John Deere L120 automatic. Really could be any L series or any other tractor, but this one's specifically for this one. And I'm going to see if we can get some LED headlights put in here. The regular ones are usually just kind of glowing and dull, and in this case, they are extra. So I don't know if you can see all that black. This one sits outside, so I get this black, tree sap residue. It's inside and out. So let's see if we can not only swap the regular bulbs for LEDs, but let's see if we can clean the inside of that housing out. And I'll show you how to take that apart. Start by getting this hood up. Now to take the whole grill out, I can go 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts like that. The lights, of course, are here. And if we look on the bottom, there's a clip. And on the top, there's a clip. So I don't know what we'll end up taking off. Actually, there's 5 bolts. It would have been from taking the whole grill off. So let's see how this one wants to come apart. I'm going to first take the wires off, which you just give it a quarter turn counterclockwise, and they come out, except if the wires are too tight. There we go. Now let's see how mine like to come out. Push on the top clip there. That should release it. Let me work on this a minute and see if I can get that to slide. Okay, I'm on the right track. This has got to go up too. I thought just one was a clip and the other was not holding it. They are both holding it. Still not there. Okay, if you follow me, we're learning together. This bucket is not going to come off. I am only taking, right now, I'll show you in a minute, I am only releasing, by releasing these, I'm only releasing this piece. I thought those buckets were going to come out the back. Oh yeah, and you see those reflectors are just full of black, and the plastic is full of residue and everything. This one sits outside, obviously, so I'm sure I'm not the only one that has this problem. So let's see what it takes to get it cleaned up. All right, I'm going to start with the lowest possible damaging good old car wash solution. No need to go any degreaser or anything, because I think we'll just make this housing turn white, opaque. Yeah, that's going to work. I'll just have to do a couple of rounds of that because it certainly didn't all come off. It's even behind their sticker. Yes, I said sticker. Dirt is behind there, so that'll pop off someday. Maybe today. But anyway, that's going to work. And then I assume I'll have similar results. Yeah, that's cleaning right up. So let me do that, bring you back. All right, that worked out perfectly. Actually ended up cleaning most of the rest of the tractor too. That's how a 5-minute for me video turns into 20 to 30 minutes. Pretty quick. Don't know why I'm cleaning this up so good, because it's just going to sit outside again, but Maybe we'll just wishful think. All right. And the lens cleaned up real nice. Now to the real job we were going to start doing. Now, if I didn't say already, I want to go LED lamps on these. They just are brighter. There's the ones I got are supposed to be brighter than standard ones. These are for off-road use only. 1156 is the designation, and I will put a link in the description down below of the ones I use. And what I want to see is, do these work? Because some of these lamps are actually different depending on what kind you have. Run directly from the battery. Other ones run from a charging system that goes through a diode to make it DC. And if your diode was broken, then they wouldn't work, because these only run on DC, or whereas a regular bulb could run on AC. A lot of ideas, questions. Will they actually even light? These are, if you're wiring them from a switch, these are polarity sensitive. I don't know which is the positive and which is the negative. I would assume the positive would be the little pin, but verify that for your own self. But let's make sure these are light, make sure they work, and then also make sure. I've had some of these that don't fit through the sockets on the back. Don't fit through the holes. They're bigger than they were supposed to be, or they bottom out on the front of the headlight. So we'll know that these ones fit if this works. Let's get over here and get a look at these lamps. These are mine. These are the standard. These are a standard 1156 automotive lamp. Any automotive shop would have those. Automotive supply house. And they just go down while you're pressing and turn. Let's do the other one here. Whether you can see it or not, I don't know, but I'll be right back with you. Good. Now, let's get you positioned in a way maybe you could see what I'm doing when I go in there. And just as they came out, cock them up about a quarter turn counterclockwise. Get them to fit in the little holes. Easy. And then this, I guess that won't get into any trouble. All right, I'm in full sunlight here. I'm going to give them a couple of honks on and off. Show you that they do work. But I'll get you a better shot once it gets a little darker here, or I reposition it. See if we can get her snap back in here. Sure can't. That's all there is to it. Let's see. What do you think about that? It's not like a car, but it's better than the originals by far, especially with all the junk I had in mine. I hereby declare those LED lamps Wildwood certified. Thanks for watching.